Hello friends, here in this lecture we are discussing about the losses in the induction motors. Induction motor is a device which converts the electrical input power into the mechanical output power. So while going to carry out this electromechanical conversion, there are different losses to be takes place at different stages in an induction motor. When the three-phase supply is given to the induction motor, the current will be start to flow in the stator winding. So there it causes a stator copper loss and the stator iron loss. As the three-phase winding carries the current, it produces a rotating magnetic field, and this rotating magnetic field cuts the air gap, and this is the rotor input which is given at the rotor side. Now this rotor input power or the rotating magnetic field induces an EMF in the rotor conductor, and as all the rotor conductors are short circuited, so current will be start to flowing through that rotor and rotor copper losses are takes place. Here in this case the rotor iron losses are neglected because these losses are depends on the rotor frequency, and as the rotor frequency is very negligible, so the rotor iron losses are neglected. After that, when the rotor current carries conductor carries the current, the torque is produced, and this torque is responsible for the production of the mechanical power at the rotor output. So this mechanical power can be converted into the useful shaft power at the shaft. So while carrying out this transformation, the windage and friction losses are takes place. So these are the different losses to be takes place. Now we'll see so which are the constant losses and which are the variable losses. The stator copper loss and the stator rotor copper loss are the fixed variable losses. These losses are dependent on the load, as means as the rotor current increases, the stator current also increases. So that's why these losses are the variable losses. And the stator iron loss and the friction and windage loss, these are the fixed losses. Throughout the operation, irrespective of any of the load condition, these two losses are remain constant. So this is all about the losses in an induction motor. Thank you.